So we're just looking at this area here really, but most of our camellias we grow in a bench. But these are, I think that's called, yeah, Cornish snow, Malliflora, some of the smaller Wintons around here somewhere, and some of the small unnamed seedlings from the front of Carhays. These ones here, we do them as very small cuttings and put them in trays. It's a good way to keep an eye on them. It's a good way to make sure they don't get overwatered. And what we would do once, this time of year, you can do it, sometimes it's a bit earlier, it depends entirely on the climate, you know, the weather, the climate, and literally you just tip them out. So all you're trying to do is that. Sometimes it's really soft material, like this is a lot softer, say there, that one's really soft. You could actually just literally pinch it out with your fingers. That is really, really a bit younger, a bit softer, so you don't want to go too close to the join. If you go too close, it will start to die back. So you can leave a bit on the soft tissue, and that will just die back on its own. You can sometimes, if you just trying to think of one there's nothing here really. If you think that's veering over that way, and you want it to make more of an upright plant, more of a balanced plant, so you need to encourage that bud there to be the one that grows. You want to straighten the plant out, so you would actually cut above that one. If you were trying to encourage a plant to go down, you would actually cut above a leaf that is on the underside. So looking at that one, well, let's find, oh, see that one's going over. You want it to be more, you want to straighten it up. So I would look for, I think that's the most likely bud to become the leader in the way that I want it to become. So there you go. That's probably that on the... Yeah, we have a lot of very strange things in here actually. There's a bit of a mixture at this time of year.